If you want to fix the orange or yellow screen issue on OPPO Find X9, here's what you can do. So first of all, we're gonna go to settings. Now in here, we should be able to find the display and brightness. And after that, we're gonna scroll down in order to find the eye care option. Now in here, you have two main options that turn the screen to yellow or orange. So in this case, you want to check if the eye protection mode is not enabled, the custom one over here. And also we have the eye comfort and sleep, which can also turn our screen to yellow or orange. So basically these options can apply this filter to protect your eyes. We also have a schedule, of course, so you want to check if this mode will not be re-enabled automatically later on. And besides that, there's also one more thing that you can check. If these two options are not the reason why your screen is yellow or orange, then you can go to screen color mode, and over here we have the screen color temperature, which you can set to default if it's not set to default yet. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.